Hello and welcome to Slow Spoken English. I'm Richard.
And I'm Diana. We are so glad you can join us today.
We live in Sydney, Australia. This podcast is for English learners who want to practice listening to natural, everyday conversation. We speak slowly and clearly to help you understand.
That's right. Today we have a special episode. We are going to practice the kind of small talk you might have at a new job. Small talk is the friendly, polite conversation you have with people you don't know very well.
It can be difficult to know what to say. So today, we will pretend. We will act out a scene. In our scene, Diana and I are new colleagues. We are meeting for the first time at our new job.
And where do we work, Richard?
We work at a big chocolate factory. It's a fun place to imagine. We will be two workers on the factory floor, just getting to know each other. Even though Diana and I know each other well, we will pretend we are strangers.
This will be a good chance for you, our listeners, to hear the questions and answers that are common in these situations. Are you ready?
Let's begin. The scene starts now.
Oh, hello there. I don't think we've met yet. I'm Diana.
Hi Diana, nice to meet you. I'm Richard. I just started on Monday.
Welcome. I started last week, so we are both very new. How are you finding it so far?
It's good. I am still learning where everything is. But everyone is very friendly, and I love the smell of chocolate all day.
Me too, it makes me hungry. Are you from Sydney, Richard?
No, I'm not. I moved to Sydney about 2 years ago. I'm originally from a small town in England.
Oh, England. That is a long way away. What made you decide to move to Australia?
The weather mostly. I wanted more sunshine, and I wanted a new adventure. What about you, Diana? Are you from Sydney?
I am not from Sydney, but I have been in Australia for a long time, maybe 10 years now. I am originally from the Philippines.
10 years is a long time, so you are almost a local. Do you like living here?
Yes, I do. It was very hard at the start. You know, moving to a new country is a big challenge. I missed my family and my home. But now, it feels like home here. My young family over here is happy, and life is good.
I understand that completely. The first year for me was quite difficult. It can be lonely when you don't know anyone. But you are right. Things get better over time.
They do. What did you do back in England before you came here? Did you work in a factory?
No, this is very different for me. I used to be an ecologist. I worked outside with plants and animals.
Wow, an ecologist. That sounds so interesting. So why the change? Why a chocolate factory?
Well, finding the same kind of job here was hard. I needed to work and provide for my family. This job is a good opportunity. And honestly, it is nice to do something simple for a while. Less stress. What about you? What did you do before?
I was an accountant. I worked in an office with numbers all day.
See, we are both trying something new. An accountant and an ecologist, now working with chocolate.
I know. Life is funny sometimes. I think it is a good change. I like working with my hands. It is very different from office work.
I agree. Well, it is really nice to meet you, Diana. I am glad we are working together.
You too, Richard. It's nice to have another new person to talk to. Let me know if you need help with anything.
Thank you. I will. I'm sure I will have many questions. And scene. We are back to being ourselves now.
That was fun! So, in that short conversation, we asked some very common small talk questions.
Let's review them. We asked, how are you finding it so far? This is a good way to ask if someone likes their new job. Are you from Sydney? Or where are you from originally? How long have you been in the country? What did you do before working here?
And we talked about the challenges of moving to a new country. It's okay to say that it was hard at first. Many people share that experience. It can be a good way to connect with someone.
The most important part of small talk is to be a good listener. Ask a question and then listen to the answer. And then you can share something about yourself. It is a two-way street.
Exactly. We hope this little practice was helpful for you. You can listen again and practice saying the lines yourself.
And that is all the time we have for today. Thank you so much for listening to Slow Spoken English.
We hope you enjoyed it. If you liked this video, please hit the like button. And don't forget to subscribe for more content to help you on your English learning journey.
We will be back next week with a new episode. Until then, cheers.
Goodbye, everyone. Thanks again for listening.